Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner, a true game-changer in home maintenance. This powerful device boasts an impressive 3,000 pascal suction power, effortlessly tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair across a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to low-pile carpets. With its slim 3-inch design, it easily reaches those tricky spots, while the 600 ml oversized dust box means less frequent emptying, perfect for pet owners. The R7 offers 5 versatile cleaning modes, including automatic, spot, edge, timed, and manual cleaning, all easily controlled via app, Alexa, or remote. Its intelligent scheduling feature allows you to set specific cleaning times, and it autonomously navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and returning to its charging station when needed. Plus, with a 2-year warranty, 6-month returns or exchanges, and lifetime technical support, the Airzeen R7 is designed to make your life easier in your home cleaner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.